Hello my dear friends, welcome back to InfyGyan. In this video we have one very interesting rational equation. Let's solve together. So denominator cannot be 0. I will write our answer x can't be negative 5 over 4 and negative 3 over 4. Now we will write our equation x plus 1 over 4x. 5 we can write 1 plus 4 or 4 plus 1 whole square plus x plus 1 over 3 we can write 4 minus 1 whole square equal to 9 over 2. Now I can take 4 common from here and 4 common from here. So x plus 1 over 4 times x plus 1 plus 1 whole square plus x plus 1 over 4 times x plus 1 minus 1 whole square equal to 9 over 2. Now I will use substitution. Let us consider 4 times x plus 1 equal to a. So from here I can write x plus 1 will be equal to a over 4. So numerator we will write a over 4 and denominator will be a plus 1 whole square plus a over 4 over a minus 1 whole square equal to 9 over 2. Remember our substitution is 4 times x plus 1 equal to a. Let me write this equation here. So I can write a over 4 divided by a plus 1 whole square plus a over 4 divided by a minus 1 whole square equal to 9 over 2. Or we can write a over a plus 1 whole square, and 1 over 4 whole square is 1 over 16. So let us write 1 over 16 outside this bracket. Here I will be writing a over a minus 1 whole square equal to 9 over 2. Now I will multiply both sides by 16. So I can write here times 16 times 16. So this 16 will be over from LHS. And in RHS I will write 9 times 8, 72. LHS will be a over a plus 1 whole square plus a over a minus 1 whole square, and RHS is 72. Now we know that a plus b whole square formula. If I will write, then this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is one algebraic formula. So from here I can write a square plus b square. This can be written as a plus b whole square minus twice ab, which we will apply to our LHS. I will write a over a plus 1 whole square plus a over a minus 1 whole square equal to 72. So I can write here a over a plus 1 plus a over a minus 1 whole square minus 2 times a over a plus 1 times a over a minus 1 equal to 70. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now we will simplify this bracket. So I will get a square plus a square 2a square over a plus 1 times a minus 1 minus 2a square over a plus 1 times a minus 1. We'll write a square minus 1 equal to 72. Similarly here, I will write 2a square over a square minus 1 whole square minus 2a square over a square minus 1 minus 72 equal to 0. Now we will consider this bracket equal to other variable, suppose k. So we will get one quadratic in k. Let me write here. But before that, friends, if you are an Olympiad aspirant or planning to do different Olympiad examinations like SOF, CREST, UNICUS, Silver Zone, ESSET from grade 2 to grade 10, then Olympiad Success offers you live interactive classes, PYQs, tests and many more. Check out description box and use referral code GYAN15 to get 15% discount. Let's come back to our equation. I will write 2a square over a square minus 1 whole square minus 2a square over a square minus 1 minus 72 equal to 0. Let us say 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to k, suppose. So our equation will be quadratic in k. K square minus k minus 72 equal to 0. Now we can use quadratic formula. So k will be equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. So as per given equation, capital A is coefficient of k square 1, b is coefficient of k negative 1, c is constant negative 72. So k will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 72, which will give us plus 288 over 2 times 1, so 2. Or we will get 1 plus minus square root 289 over 2. This will be equal to 1 plus minus square root 289 is 17 over 2. So we can write two k values. K will be equal to 1 plus 17 over 2, 1 minus 17 over 2. So this will give us 18 over 2, 9. Here we will get minus 16 over 2, minus 8. And k was our substitution, 2a square over a square minus 1. So I can write here 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to 9 and minus 8. Let us consider 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to 9 here, and 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to negative 8 here. So I can cross multiply. I can write 2a square will be equal to 9a square minus 9, or we can write 7a square will be equal to 9, or a square will be equal to 9 over 7, or we can write a will be equal to plus minus 3 over square root 7. Now from the second equation I can write 2a square equal to minus 8a square plus 8, or we can write 10a square equal to 8, 5a square equal to 4. So a square will be equal to 4 over 5. So a will come out plus minus 2 over root 5. So we have four values, plus minus 3 over root 7, plus minus 2 over root 5. plus minus 3 over root 7 plus minus 2 over root 5. Or we can write plus minus 3 root 7 over 7. Here we can write plus minus 2 root 5 over 5. Now a was also our substitution. A was 4 times x plus 1. So I can write here 4 times x plus 1 equal to plus minus 3 root 7 over 7 plus minus 2 root 5 over 5. Now we will divide both sides by 4. So x plus 1 will be equal to plus minus 3 root 7 over 7 times 4, 28. Here I will be writing plus minus 2 root 5 over 20, which we can write root 5 over 10. Now we have to subtract 1 to get our final answers. So I will write x will be equal to minus 1 plus minus 3 root 7 over 28 and minus 1 plus minus square root 5 over 10. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.